Hello everyone, and welcome back to It's All About the Business. Today, I want to talk about a mistake that is so common among entrepreneurs and business owners, but it can be the reason why their business is not thriving as it should be. So, if you're an entrepreneur or a business owner, listen up, because this is something that you don't want to miss. The mistake that I'm talking about is not focusing on your customers. I know this sounds simple, but hear me out. Your customers are the lifeblood of your business. Without them, you wouldn't have a business at all. So, it's essential to put them at the forefront of everything you do. One of the most common mistakes I see business owners make is putting all their efforts into marketing and advertising their products or services without understanding their target market. Yes, marketing is crucial, but if you don't know who your ideal customer is, then your marketing efforts will be in vain. For example, let's say you own a coffee shop. You might think that your target market is everyone who drinks coffee. But, in reality, your ideal customer might be people who prefer specialty coffee and are willing to pay a premium for it. Without this understanding, you might be wasting your marketing efforts on people who are not interested in what you offer. So, how do you focus on your customers? Well, it starts with understanding who they are, what they need, and what they want. This can be done through market research, surveys, and customer feedback. Once you have this information, you can tailor your products or services to meet their needs and wants. For example, let's say you own a clothing store. You might conduct market research and find out that your target market is busy professionals who value comfort and style. With this information, you can tailor your product offerings to include comfortable yet stylish clothing that caters to this specific group of customers. Another mistake I see entrepreneurs make is not valuing their existing customers. It's much easier and more cost-effective to retain a customer than to acquire a new one. So, make sure you're providing excellent customer service, going above and beyond to meet their needs, and rewarding them for their loyalty. For example, let's say you own a gym. Providing excellent customer service might mean having knowledgeable staff available to answer any questions your customers might have. Going above and beyond might mean offering free workout plans or nutrition advice. And, rewarding your customers for their loyalty might mean offering them discounts on gym merchandise or free personal training sessions. In conclusion, if you want your business to thrive, then you need to focus on your customers. Understand who they are, what they need, and what they want, and tailor your products or services to meet those needs. Also, make sure you're valuing your existing customers and providing excellent customer service. Remember, your customers are the lifeblood of your business, so put them at the forefront of everything you do. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.